Hi, Greg Flaherty here with Penny Realty. So a lot of property owners ask me if they furnish their rental, is it going to generate more rental income for them? Can I make more money this way? Or I heard it was a good idea. Or I don't want the hassle of moving out and storing my furniture. Or can I rent it as a vacation rental? Or should I do a 1-year lease long-term furnished? I certainly can get more money this way, right? Well, the answer is yes and no, and it depends. So here are 3 things to consider. 1, yes, you can make more money if you're renting as a short-term vacation rental, but those must be furnished. And the caveat is your property should be located in the right area. So ideally close to the ocean, the bay, or it has a great water view, or it's flat out luxurious. So this is also dependent on your community or the HOA allowing vacation rentals. A lot of HOAs, they have regulations, a 30-day or 6-month minimum rental. And even if there aren't any rules or regs against it, some neighborhoods they're downright hostile if all of a sudden they live next to a busy vacation rental. So check that part out first, or life for you could become not so pleasant. All right, number 2, and here's another question I get. Well, if vacation rentals aren't as lucrative as I first thought, I can still make more money as a long-term furnished rental, right? Well, the answer is no, not really. And why? Well, because the majority of quality long-term tenants, like 95% plus, they have a truckload of furnishings following right behind them. And if your property's furnished, then that precludes that tenant from renting your home. So then it logically follows there's less demand for your rental, and it almost always equals less rent, or the same rent, but not more rent, okay? Number 3, more furnishings means more liability to you. So let's say your tenant has a rambunctious little kid that likes to jump up and down on his parents' own furnishings. And while jumping, the kid slips, he falls, and he hurts himself. Is that liability on you, Mr. Owner? No, of course not. It's their kid and it's their furniture. But what if that furniture was yours? You put it in, and the legs to the furniture or the structure of it collapsed. This gives you the L word. That's liability. And now you got the additional responsibility to maintain your furniture. And I can almost guarantee when that 1 or 2 year lease term is up, you're not going to be happy with the condition of that furniture that comes back to you. So think about it. There's really enough other regular maintenance issues to worry about. You usually don't need to complicate matters by throwing the furniture into the mix. So I hope this helps. Call me, email me if you want to discuss furnished rentals any further. All right? Thanks for watching.